Hello and welcome back to Crafting with Amy. Our puppy Midnight developed parvo. I noticed signs when I got home Wednesday from the dentist, and she has been at the vet ever since. They said we caught it early, but they thought she would be able to come home Saturday, and my husband went over there. I had gone the day before, the previous 2 days, and she was doing better. And yesterday she took a turn for the worse, and it's a long weekend with a holiday, so now they're saying possibly Tuesday. But my husband went over there this morning. We live pretty close, and they had said he just sat out there in the car waiting to see if he could talk to the people that come in and feed them and stuff while they're there getting boarded and stuff. And he got to play with her. He got to walk her, and she was doing a whole lot better. She's lost weight, but anyway, they seem hopeful now that she'll get to come home. We were really, really worried yesterday, and my husband felt as though she wasn't going to make it. She was just 10 weeks old when we got her, and it's about broken our hearts. We've gotten so attached to her. She has kicked my butt. She's a good pup, but it's just, you've got a little Pomeranian, and then this one, and she's been a handful to me, but I'm absolutely, totally attached to her. And then I've been having a lot of a really bad sore throat, body aches and stuff. So I wanted to do this. I've run out of fall picks and stuff, and our Dollar Tree doesn't have anything. So I got this stuff from Wal Mart, and I wanted to do I wanted to show you all. Normally I would already have started my video for excuse me, for upload Wednesday, my DIY, but I haven't yet because I'm not feeling well at all. So I wanted to show you these things from Walmart. That's where I have to get picks, because our Dollar Tree, I still can't get the wire pumpkin frames. I don't see a price on this, but this has a velvet pumpkin on it. So I've always had to rely on our Walmart for picks, our Dollar Tree. This one is $1.38. Whoops, part of it just fell off. And then I got some mini pumpkins too. And then here's this one. Don't say what the price. I think they were all $1.38, or somewhere around in there. But I think that one's pretty. And then this one has flour and some berries and leaves, because I'm just depleted, and I haven't been able to get to Hobby Lobby. Oops, part of that came off. Hobby Lobby is pretty good with sales on like ribbon and stuff like that, but usually they're florals you can't get, and that one's a little bit different. Usually with their florals, they rarely, they've got beautiful florals, but they rarely have those on sale unless they're totally out of season. I don't know if I've shown one like that. That's another one. It's got the little white pumpkin. So I'm going to upload this as a haul, and then hopefully I'll be able to start. This has got a sunflower. Working on my DIYs. I really appreciate you all watching. I had some of these. I used these in that one thing that I made. It's got the cattail bag. Here's another with the velvet pumpkin. Of course, I wish they had that in a different color. And another with cattail. And I think all these are repeats. But, you know, like I said, the nearest Hobby Lobby is an hour away. And even the Dollar Trees an hour away from me don't have hardly anything. I don't get it. I still can't find a little wooden pumpkin fix. And then I've got these pumpkins. This says $1.14. It has a little gold to it, but I will paint over that. I needed some smaller pumpkins. And then that one. That little flatter one. It's our Dollar Tree, they don't even have pumpkins. I mean, they've got some of the velvet pumpkins, but they just haven't gotten much. So I'll upload this, and like I said, I've got some ideas of what I want my next video to be, and then I may change my mind, and then I'll get that uploaded as soon as, I'll probably still have it uploaded by Wednesday, but just in case, you know, I don't know what I'm going to be looking at when midnight the little puppy comes back. So thank you all for watching, and you all have a good day, and a happy Labor Day. I could have